The 2026 Peugeot 3008 GT Hybrid represents a notable step forward in the evolution of the French manufacturer's compact SUV range. This latest iteration adopts a mild hybrid powertrain, a 1.2-litre turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine paired with a 48-volt electric system designed to offer improved efficiency without the need for plug-in charging. While the hybrid system does allow for limited electric-only driving in urban environments, its benefits are modest, offering marginal gains in fuel economy and emissions reduction. Performance figures are respectable, if not exhilarating, with a 0 to 100 km/h time of approximately 10 seconds, sufficient for most daily driving scenarios. Inside the cabin, Peugeot has made a bold, stylistic and technological statement. The vehicle features the brand's new panoramic i-Cockpit, a sweeping 21-inch curved display that integrates both instrument cluster and infotainment functions. This interface, along with the smaller customizable i-Toggles panel, introduces a futuristic, albeit somewhat non-traditional user experience that may divide opinion. In GT trim, the interior is both luxurious and considered. High-quality materials, including optional Nappa leather and Alcantara upholstery, are complemented by heated, ventilated and massaging front seats. On the road, the 3008 GT Hybrid is composed and comfortable, particularly in urban and motorway settings where ride quality and sound insulation shine. The steering is light and accurate, though it lacks the tactile feedback driving enthusiasts might prefer. Practicality remains strong, with ample boot space and a flexible rear seat arrangement, though the placement of the hybrid battery slightly compromises luggage capacity compared to non-hybrid variants. Safety and convenience technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, come as standard, reflecting the model's orientation towards modern family motoring.